Dear 10th class students, Purohit sir welcomes to you to our Click program in English. So today's topic is The Solitary Reaper, the new poem of your English book. So today's discussion is the fourth part of the poem. Once the poet William Wordsworth was roaming on the highland. While roaming, he saw a girl was singing a melancholy strain in her field while she was cutting and binding the grain. The poet listened to the song. The song was heart touching. The poet was completely inspired of the poem. He compared the poem with the singing bird nightingale. But the song of the Highland lass, the song of the Scottish girl, was more sweet than the song of the nightingale. Again, she compared the song with the song of the cuckoo bird, which was singing in the springtime. But the song of the girl was also more sweet than the cuckoo bird. Then the poet thought that what type of song the girl was singing there. No one could tell what the girl was singing. What was the matter? What was the theme of the song? No one could say. The poet thought that the song might be the past tragic matters or a sad story in the poetic verses of past battle. So, a parjanta we have discussed the poem. Then next part, see your notebook. Or is it some more humble lay? The poet thought that the song might be an ordinary song. ହୁଏତ ଏହା ଗୋଟିଏ ସାଧାରଣ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ହୋଇପାରେ or familiar matter of today. Familiar means well acquainted with, अर्थात सुपरिचित साधारण ନିଜର ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଜୀବନର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଫ୍ ଟୁଡେ, ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଜୀବନର କୌଣସି ସାଧାରଣ ସୁପରିଚିତ ଘଟଣାବଳୀକୁ ନେଇକି ହୁଏତ ଝିଅଟି ଗୀତ ଗାଉଥିବ. ସମ୍ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ସରୋ ଲସ୍ ଅର୍ ପେନ୍, ହୁଏତ କୌଣସି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ସରୋ ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ବିପର୍ଯ୍ୟୟ, ଲସ୍ କ୍ଷତି, ପେଇନ୍ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା, କୌଣସି ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ବିପର୍ଯ୍ୟୟ କିମ୍ବା କ୍ଷତି କିମ୍ବା ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାକୁ ନେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାଜ୍ ବିନ୍ ଯାହାକି ଘଟିଯାଇଛି କିମ୍ବା ମେ ବି ଏଗେଇନ୍ ପୁଣି ଘଟିବା ଉପରେ ଅଛି ସେହି ବିଷୟକୁ ନେଇ ହୁଏତ ଏ ଗୀତଟି ସେଇ ଝିଅଟି ଗାଇଥାଇପାରେ. What ever the theme, the maiden sang. The maiden sang, the girl was singing. What was the matter of the song might be. ସେ ଗୀତ ଯେଉଁ ଝିଅଟି ଯେଉଁ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଥିଲା ସେହି ଗୀତର ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ କିମ୍ବା ତା'ର ଅର୍ଥ ଯାହା ଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଜ୍ ଇଫ୍ ସତେ ଯେପରି ହ୍ୟାର୍ ସଙ୍ଗ୍ କୁଡ୍ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ନୋ ଏଣ୍ଡିଂ, ସତେ ଯେପରି ତା'ର ଗୀତର କୌଣସି ଅନ୍ତ ନଥିଲା, ସତେ ଯେପରି ତା'ର ଗୀତର କୌଣସି ପରିସମାପ୍ତି ନଥିଲା. ଦ ଗର୍ଲ ୱାଜ୍ ସିଙ୍ଗିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିଙ୍ଗିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିଙ୍ଗିଂ ଦ ସଙ୍ଗ୍ ଏଗେଇନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଗେଇନ୍. I saw her singing at her work. The poet saw that the girl was singing while she was working. She was cutting and binding the grain in her field and over the sickle bending. କେମିତି ନା sickle means da, a tool for cutting pass or grass or paddy, ଘାସ ଏବଂ ଧାନକୁ କାଟିଲା ଭଳି କୌଣସି ଏକ ଯନ୍ତ୍ର, କାଟିଲା ଭଳି କୌଣସି ଏକ ଜିନିଷ ଯାହାକୁ ଦା ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ଦାରେ ଆମେ ଘାସ କାଟୁ ଏବଂ ଧାନ କାଟୁ, ବେଣ୍ଡିଂ ମାନେ ନୁଆଇଁ ଦେଇ। ସୋ ଦ ଗର୍ଲ sickle bending, ନିଜର ଦାକୁ ନୁଆଇଁ ଦେଇ, cutting the grain and was singing again and again. Then I listened motionless and still. I listened. The poet listened, कवि ଶୁଣିଲେ, motionless without moving and still without noise, ସେଠାରୁ କୁଆଡ଼େ ନ ଘୁଞ୍ଚି ଏବଂ ନୀରବ ଭାବରେ ସେ ଝିଅଟିର ଗୀତଟିକୁ ପୋଏଟ୍ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ। and as I mounted up the hill, ତାପରେ ସେ ସ୍ଥାନ ଛାଡ଼ି ସେ ଚାଲିଗଲେ। mounted up the hill, ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାହାଡ଼ ଉପରେ ଚଢ଼ି 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 ଗଲେ। the music in my heart I bore, the poet now far away from the girl, but still the music in my heart, the music in his heart I bore, he bore, ସେ ଯେଉଁ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ, ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଝିଅଟିର ଗାନ କରାଯାଉଥିବା ସଙ୍ଗୀତକୁ ସେ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କର ହୃଦୟରେ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଥିଲେ। ଲଙ୍ଗ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ନୋ ମୋର୍, ନୋ ମୋର୍, ଯଦିଚ ଗୀତ ନଥିଲା, ଯଦିଚ ଗୀତର ସ୍ୱରକୁ ସେ ଶୁଣିପାରୁନଥିଲେ, ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍, ସେ ତାକୁ ଶୁଣିଲା ଭଳି ମନେ କରୁଥିଲେ। ଦୀର୍ଘ ସମୟ ଧରି ସେ ଗୀତର ସ୍ୱର, ସେ ଗୀତର ଲିରିକ୍ସ ତାଙ୍କର ହୃଦୟକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ବାରମ୍ବାର ଶୁଣିଲା ଭଳି ଲାଗୁଥିଲା। ସେ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଥିଲେ ସତେ ଯେପରି ସେ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଥିଲେ, ଯଦିଚ ଝିଅଟି ପାଖରେ ନଥିଲା, ଯଦିଚ ସେ ଝିଅର ଗୀତ ଶୁଣୁନଥିଲେ, ତଥାପି ସେ ଗୀତର ସ୍ୱର ତାଙ୍କର କାନରେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ବାରମ୍ବାର ବାଜୁଥିଲା। So now, dear students, we have completed the poem, the fourth part of the poem, the Solitary Reaper. Now we will give you some homework and you have to do after that. Thanks.